Throughout history, Sri Lankans have always paid special attention to the food they consume. An enthusiastic young man who was determined to continue this legacy of producing high-quality foods was born in the northwest region of Sri Lanka. He is Mr. N.S. Victor. From the beginning, his vision was to provide his fellow Sri Lankans with products that are of the highest quality and standards. With his wife Irene's agreement, Victor managed to establish Vihena Farms, aiming to produce good quality chicken products. With a small number of employees, Vihena Farms was born in Mahaweva, adjacent to Halawatha, an area renowned in the past for its pearl fishing. Today, Vihena Farms functions as a large, successful group of companies, and its chairman, Mr. Victor, reflects on their history spanning over 40 years. The production of chicken was not a well-established industry then. Consumers had great difficulty sourcing good quality chicken. In order to overcome this challenge, we introduced broiler chicken. Consumers living in Halawatha and Mahaweva, in the close vicinity where our business was established, were delighted with our broiler chicken products. Although this was the case, small-scale businesses found it challenging to compete with the more established companies in the poultry industry. With sheer determination, Mr. and Mrs. Victor overcame this challenge without much difficulty. Even though they had a small number of employees, their dedication and commitment enabled this company to supply the market with products of excellent quality. Due to its high quality and standards, consumers were enthusiastic to purchase chicken products from Vihena Farms. From the start, we always wanted to ensure that our products maintain the best quality. This has always been our intention. I am happy to say that today, our customers associate our products with the highest quality, and this has been an established fact for them. From its inception until today, the one thing that has remained unchanged with products from Vihena Farms is their highest quality and standards. Currently, the Vihena Group of companies operates in a wide sphere within the poultry industry. In addition to chicken products, the company also produces chicken feed. All products are manufactured using the latest internationally renowned technology. The Vihena Group of companies strives to follow their five-fold objectives, which are hygiene, quality, professionalism, excellence, and maintaining the highest standards. With these objectives in the forefront, they are able to distribute products throughout the nation without being confined to a certain geographical area. The Vihena Group of companies has also achieved international awards that confirm the standards of our products. Out of these, it should be specially mentioned the Asian Businessman of the Year Award. This award was presented to the company by Rula Awards, which is an awarding body that recognizes the manufacturing of products according to the highest international standards. Winning this award has given the Vihena Group of companies a significant achievement in the international sphere. Vihena Group of companies chairman and its staff would like to take this opportunity to thank Rula Awards for recognizing the quality and standards of their products. It is a great honor and encouragement to them. On this occasion, the Vihena Group wants to extend their gratitude to Asia Awards and Rula Awards, which is powered by Asia Awards, for bestowing their recognition. And a big thank goes to the World Research Congress. Their contribution has also helped the company immensely to achieve this award.